Welcome to the vlog, guys. This weekend we're in Peebles and we are going to be circumnavigating the whole of the Northumberland National Park by bike.
Morning.
Cycling out of Peebles with the big man. Got Paul with me today, so he's going to be joining us for the weekend. Let's just head out this way. Keep left. What have we got there, Paul?
Go bar.
Go bar. Will that make you go faster?
Downhill, yeah.
Downhill, happy days.
The curses all over and flowers are grown everywhere. Can we roll in your love? Can we roll in your love?
I know someone's lost the sheepdog.
The sea is so blue and the lizards are green and maroon. Can we roll on the sand? Can we roll on the sand?
We're just coming into Hoyk now. Just enjoying a Greggs in Hoyk. Fuel.
Treated out again.
The fuel of champions, as you say. Right, cut. We're just riding out of Hoyk now, so we're going to be heading over the hills towards the England-Scotland border and then down into the Northumberland National Park and Kielder Water. Lots and lots of gradual climbs, so just got to sit in there, tap out the rhythm. But we're swarmed with flies at the moment, which is not great. Haven't swallowed one yet though, so chew on one of those later probably. Made it to the England border. We've done 61 miles and I have to say my legs are feeling it a bit. Living a life where you sit at your desk at work, pushing a mouse about, fiddling with numbers on a spreadsheet is not conducive to cycling 100 miles. We're going to get going now because we're getting eaten alive by horse flies, other flies, whatever else flies. So 61 miles down, we've got about another 42 to go and then we'll be in Rothbury. Let's go and get a cup of tea somewhere.
Cream cake. More cream cake.
Tea, cake. I reckon, Paul, you deserve another custard filled donut.
There are Greggs up here.
Kielder. We kind of got to the point where we just needed to stop, didn't we? I could actually feel my legs cramping a little bit, which is not good when you've got another 40 miles to go. So
Only 40 miles, isn't it?
only 40 miles, and apparently it's downhill as well. So we've just stopped here at Kielder to get some food, cherry bakewell. See, we're just climbing out of Bellingham now. Then we're going to drop down into Otterburn, and then from there it's the last stretch down to Rothbury.
as I float in a golden pool. And the only plan I've cared for tomorrow is to find another place to swim. Find another place to swim.
See the Morris dancers.
Find another place to soak her skin. A toast to the
Day 2, we are going to go down and get some breakfast in the hotel now. So we are cycling today from Rothbury back up to Peebles. I've been joined today by a couple of the guys from the mighty Anick Breakaway Cycling Club.
I'm feeling bold, and somehow I know where I'm going.
Cheers guys, see you later. See you later boys, adios. We've just left the boys from the Anick Breakaway Cycling Club there in the town of Eglingham, and we're just heading up to Chatton. Then we're going to head over to the hills of Wooler, which is on the edge of the Cheviots. But yeah, need to get going because we've still got about another 80 miles or so to go to get to Peebles. Lunch in Wooler. We just arrived into Scotland and bang on cue, the rain has arrived. So we just arrived in Yetton, which is just over the border, and the heavens have opened, so we're just taking shelter under this lime tree. Hopefully it's not going to last much longer. The roads are going to be like rivers by the end of this. The rain is biblical. It's like rivers running down the road. Well, we managed to escape the rain. It was absolutely mental. It was absolutely bucketing down, so we're absolutely soaked through to the skin. But we've basically just pressed on as much as we can. So we've just sort of bypassed Kelso and gone through Newtownshend, Boswell, and we're just coming up to Selkirk now, and then it won't be long, probably about 15 miles until we get to Peebles. How's your energy levels?
All right.
Just coming into Peebles now, and the heavens have opened again, so we're getting soaked. After drying off, we're getting soaked again, but that's fine because we're nearly home. Oh, I'm cream crackered.
This place is strange, so be careful of the flow.
Well, we made it back to Peebles, guys. 207 miles, some stunning scenery, lots of banter, and I am ready to get off this bike and get a cup of tea somewhere.
Close your